In this video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube if it's not working on your Android phone. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap Apps or Apps Management. Find and select YouTube from the list of installed apps. Next, tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. If YouTube is still not working, tap Clear Storage or Clear Data, then confirm your choice. Now go back to the app info page and tap Force Stop. Tap OK to confirm. After that, open the Google Play Store and search for YouTube. If an update is available, tap Update and wait for it to install. Next, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is network related. Finally, restart your phone and open the YouTube app again. In most cases, YouTube should now work normally. That's it. This is how you can fix YouTube not working on your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.